Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In the previous video, we have learned about how we will editing in the text column and numeric column and how we will use date and time in the Power Query editor in this transform option. If you see like this text column, number column and date and time column. So we have gone through that in the previous video. If you did not watch, so I will put here the I button. You can click and then see the previous videos. Now in this specific video we will talk about like how we will enter the data manually. Let's say if I need to manually create table and add the table, so how we will do. And second one is, if you see this any column, so we will watch basically few of the options here, and then remaining we will see in the other videos. So let's start. Let's say if I click on home button, so if I have some requirement, I need to create a table based on some specific value. I have a business requirement where I don't have data available in my database or any Excel. So they have provided me one master table related data or anything. So if I need to create, so how I will create in the Power BI. So if you click on home button and click on enter data, and then you can see that option create table, and below in the name button you can provide the name. So let's say dummy table. I am giving just name, dummy name right now. So I have column, only one column. If you want to create multiple columns, you just need to click on this plus sign. You can create many. So let's say 3 columns I'm going to create. So let's say if I want to give name, let's say name, job, and salary. So similarly, you can create multiple columns. Now I can give the value of name. Let's say start. My job is manager, tech lead, and salary is 10,000, so 20,000. So yeah, like this I can enter multiple entries, and I can click on OK. Then this table will be created. Yeah, so see, this table is created here. Okay, so like this way you can enter multiple rows and multiple, you can create multiple column, and you can create multiple table as well. You just need to click on enter data. You can create another table based on the requirement. You can do. Now let's move into the calendar table and let's see few of the option which is left. So if I just remove this option, so let's say what is this use first row as promote header option. So it is already there. So if I remove this, so see, I have this column 1, column 2, column 3, and this segment contain the another row. But I want this row to promote as a header. So what I need to do, I will just go here and will tell to Power BI use first row as header. So see, my row is converted into header. So like this we can do. Okay. And now in the transpose option, basically we can transpose this table, creating a new rows and columns. So this is we are not doing right now. So we, whenever we use we need transpose option, so we can do reverse rows. Basically it will reverse the bottom rows to top rows. So if I click on reverse, so see, channel partner would be the last, but it has reversed as I clicked on here. Count of rows, it will give us the count. See, so total is 700. I can remove this. Okay. Now I will go here in the transform and data type. If you see, so using that you can change the data type. So there are two ways to changing the data type. So you can click here. You have all these data type: decimal, fixed, whole number, whatever is required as per the business requirement. You can select. The second option is you can right click here and you can basically select from here change type. So this text right now you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so if I see, let's say any other value, this decimal, and if I want to, make it then whole number, so I can click here and whole number. Wow. Okay, so like this you can change. Okay, now it is automatically detecting data type, and this is basically used for renaming the selected column. So let's say you have this segment, and you can. So again, there are two ways. You will select here and click on rename, or you can double click here, or you can then rename your column. Let's say segment to SEG. So like this, you can rename as per the business. The multiple columns, yes, let's say discount when you want to show, and you have to only discount. So okay. Another one is replace value. So let's say you want to replace value, let's say 2014 to 2015. So you will click here and replace value to find 2014 replace by 2015. You can replace. See, all the values is replaced. Okay. And then pivot, unpivot, we will create separate video for this. And then move is the option. Let's say you want to move your column. So let's say you want to move in the left, it will move in the left. You want to move into the beginning, so it will move into the beginning. So you can there is another way. You can just select and move like this way as well, and you can basically click here and like this as well. So the as per your comfortable, you can make changes. You can move. Okay, so I think yeah, that's it for this video. If you like, please like it, and subscribe this channel. Thanks, guys. Next, let's meet in the next video.